Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. I'm happy being here after a long time. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful applique for beginners. Please give me your full attention. So let's start together. Start the slip knot, then chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert your hook into the first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, make 20 single crochets in this circle. 1, 2. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 1, make 25 single crochets in this circle. 1, 2. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop 8 times. 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all loops. My first bubble stitch is completed. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop to make a triple crochet. Yarn over and pull up loop to make a bubble stitch. Yarn over and pull up loop 8 times. Yarn over and pull up loop 7 times, 8 times. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Chain 2 and repeat. Please crochet this bubble stitch 7 times. I crocheted this bubble stitch 7 times. At the end, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Take your new color, make a slip knot, remove the hook, insert your hook in this space, then pull the yarn, chain 1, make a single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a single crochet in next space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a single crochet in next space, then repeat 7 times. At the end, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, make 6 single crochets in last space. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in the rest of the stitch back loop only. Insert your hook into the back loop, then make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the back loop, then make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in last stitch, both of them. Make 5 single crochets in last space. 1 2 3 4 5. Then make a slip stitch in first single crochet. So for crocheting this beautiful border, make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make a double crochet, make 3 triple crochets, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. Make 3 triple crochets. Then make a double crochet, make a half double crochet, make a single crochet, and repeat. Make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make a double crochet, make 3 triple crochets, 1 2 3 times. Make a double crochet, make a half double crochet, make a single crochet. Repeat the sequence 7 times. I completed. At the end, make a slip stitch in first stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. It's time to say goodbye. See you later. Bye.